What if you get scammed on Revolut? This is a question that a lot of people are asking themselves these days. Revolut is a popular fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including banking, investing, and travel. But with the rise in online scams, it's no wonder that people are concerned about the safety of their money. In this video, I'm going to discuss what you can do if you get scammed on Revolut. I'll also provide some tips on how to avoid getting scammed in the first place. What to do if you get scammed on Revolut. If you think you've been scammed on Revolut, the first thing you should do is report it to the company. You can do this by contacting Revolut customer support. Revolut will investigate your claim and take appropriate action. If they determine that you have been scammed, they will refund your money. In addition to reporting the scam to Revolut, you should also report it to the police. Scams are a crime, and you should do everything you can to help law enforcement officials catch the scammers. Tips on how to avoid getting scammed on Revolut. There are a number of things you can do to avoid getting scammed on Revolut. Be wary of unsolicited emails, text messages, or phone calls. Scammers often try to trick people into clicking on links or providing personal information. Never share your Revolut login credentials with anyone. This includes your password, PIN, and security code. Be careful about clicking on links in emails or text messages. Scammers often create fake websites that look like the real Revolut website. Use strong passwords for your Revolut account. This means using a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Enable two-factor authentication on your Revolut account. This will add an extra layer of security to your account. Be aware of the latest scams. There are a number of different scams that are targeting Revolut users. By being aware of these scams, you can help protect yourself from becoming a victim. Getting scammed on Revolut can be a devastating experience. But by following the tips in this video, you can help protect yourself from becoming a victim. If you do get scammed, be sure to report it to Revolut and the police. With your help, we can help stop scammers from targeting Revolut users. If you have any questions about how to protect yourself from scams, please leave a comment below. I'm happy to answer any questions you have. Thanks for watching.